Yes. Anisha, tell me that what we did study in our last class.
Sir, simile and metaphor.
Simile and metaphor. Savitri told.
Simile and metaphor.
So what is simile? Who can tell? Who can tell about the simile? Okay, Anil Maurya. Beta, you have put your mic on mute. You are studying in class with, it is not the way of reminding on every day. I cannot remind you.
Sir.
You have to check that whether your mic is on hold, mute or unmute. Yes, Anil, continue.
Yes, sir. Whenever use like or else, like or else, another word are also known as similes.
Actually,
So another word to the other word are also known as similes.
another word is other word is also called the simile. For what? For what you are using like and as? For which purpose? Yeah, Shamika, tell.
We use like and as it simply. Whenever we use the comparison word like and as is called simile.
Okay, Aman Verma.
When we compare anything we use like or as is called the simile.
Okay. Anybody else who want to tell? Savitri.
Sir, when we compare two things is called simile.
When we compare two things is called simile. जब किसी thing को compare करते हैं तो simile कहलाता है. Actually, it is wrong.
Yes,
It's
sir.
wrong. Divya.
Simile use the word like and as to compare and describe things.
Saurabh Kanojia.
Sir, simile use the words like or as to compare and describe things.
Okay, Anupriya.
When we use like or as to compare things, it is called simile.
Yes. Yes, good. It's better. Tanishka. Tanishka also you tell.
When we compare and describe two things with like and as words, using like and as words, it is called simile.
Vikas Verma.
Simile is used to words like or as to compare the things. It's
Okay.
called simile.
Atul Chauhan.
When we use a word like or as compare think, we call simile.
Yes. Anybody else? सबने कुछ बताने का प्रयास किया. Everybody tried better. Tried good. हाँ, yes, Niharika.
We use the words like and as they compare things is called simile.
Sushma.
Simile use word like or as to compare, describe things.
Asmit.
When we use like or as to compare things, we call simile.
Sachin Chauhan.
When we use like and as to compare the things is called simile.
Yes, it's better. Actually, the sentence formation, it is in the better way. Everybody tried to explain what is simile. Everybody tried to tell about the similes. आपने जो बताया, जो कहा, I know that everybody know that what is the simile, but how to tell about that things? How to tell about the similes? The sentence formation was wrong by most of the students, not few of them. Leaving only few students, all the students, whatever I have told, the sentence formation was wrong. तो कहना कुछ चाह रहे हैं, कहना कुछ रहे हैं. I know that कि similes क्या है, you all know very easily, because in the last session we had an exercise and everybody was giving the correct answer. But beta, जब आप कहते हो whenever we use like or as, whenever we use word like or as, like और as आपका वर्ड ही तो है.
Yes, sir.
तो जब हम like
Yes,
और
sir.
वर्ड यूज
Yes,
करते हैं
sir.
क्या करने के लिए, क्या करने के लिए,
Compare anything.
compare
कंपेयर
things.
करने के लिए. तो
Compare
जब आपका एक सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हुआ, दूसरे वर्ग को आप जोड़ रहे हैं, तो बीच में टू का यूज होना चाहिए ना. whenever we use
Yes, sir.
word like and as, कंपेयर नहीं, टू कंपेयर, कंपेयर करने के लिए, टू कंपेयर द थिंग्स विद द अनदर थिंग्स, then it is simile. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
what is metaphor? Who can tell? Who can tell? Yes,
Sir.
Kamika.
Whenever we do not use like or the word like or as called metaphor.
Yes, Aman.
When we compare two things without using like or as, it's called the metaphor.
Yes, good. Write down your hands, क्योंकि अब बहुत ज्यादा समय जा चुका है, मैं एक एक चीजें से नहीं सुनूंगा. This is the third day on the same topic. Whenever means आकांक्षा. Whenever means क्या होता है? What do you mean by whenever? जब कभी. Whenever we compare things with another things without the word like or as. Like और as के बगैर जब हम किसी चीज की दूसरे किसी चीज से कंपेयर करते हैं, किसी पर्सन की, किसी थिंग्स की, कुछ भी हो सकता है. जब हम कंपेयर करते हैं विदाउट द वर्ड ऑफ like or as, then it will be called the metaphor. And related, already we have done the exercises. Is there any concern? Is there any confusion? Or should I move ahead with the another topic? The next topic, that is a phonic junction. Is there any concern in the vocabulary junction?
No, sir.
Everybody have done the exercises?
Yes, sir.
Is there any issue with any questions?
No, sir.
If anybody are having issue, they can raise the hand. एक बार वो हैंड रेज करें. I will explain. Don't worry. ऐसा मत सोचिए कि 4 लोग हम नहीं कह रहे हैं तो हमारा भी नहीं. Okay. Then let me. I think we should move ahead on the next topic, that is a phonic junction. Which is the next topic? Phonic junction or anything else?
No, sir. Book C का work.
Phonic junction.
Book C, the work of the exercise in book C was also given as a homework, na?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. That means that you all are supposed to complete the exercise of book C related to the vocabulary junction. Let me open the exercise.
Yes, sir.
Actually, there is a no scan. In this scan, in this soft copy, there is a no scan book C. We are not having the book C in this soft copy. So what I can do, we can, you all can attempt the exercise of book C related to the vocabulary junction, which is related to the concept of metaphor and simile. तो उसी से related same अगर exercises है, how many can do? How many can solve? So what you all can do, you all need to attempt the questions. If there will be any kind of issue, if there is any kinds of hardness, we will tackle all those things. We will resolve all the confusions related to that exercise in the next live class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You all need to complete the exercise of book C related to the, in which section? Vocabulary junction related to the topic of similes and metaphor.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there any
Yes, sir.
anybody are having the book C as of now, right now? Who is having the book C?
Yes, sir.
Anupriya, open the book C and tell me the first question. What is the first question?
Read the sentences. Write M if there is a metaphor and S if they are similes.
This is the same exercise what you have solved in book A, na?
Yes, sir.
You need to read all the sentences, and if there is any similes, then you need to write S. If there is any metaphor, then you need to write M. The same exercise already you have done in book A.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the second question, Anupriya?
Complete the similes and metaphor.
Pardon, please. Pardon.
Complete these similes and
Beta, your
metaphor.
voice is breaking down. Divya, you read the second question. Do you have book or not? Book C.
Yes, sir. I have booked. Complete their similes and metaphor.
Shanika? Shanika is not. Yes. Tell us, beta, what we have to do in this section. Question number 2. Beta, unmute yourself first. Okay, Shanika is taking time. Tanishka, you tell us what we have to do in question number 2, beta.
So complete these similes and metaphors.
That means that there is a questions related to there are some of the sentence which is not complete. You have to complete those sentences
sir.
by writing the similes or metaphor, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how many can complete? How many can try at least? You all need to try. You all need to write the similes or metaphor.
Yes, sir.
If is there any issue with any questions, I will tackle. I will solve in the next live class, or ma'am will be telling you all in the next live class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is there any question number 3?
Yes, sir.
Is there any question number 3?
Yes,
Tanishka?
sir.
Yes, Smith, tell us what is the question number 3?
Yes, sir.
Draw a picture to match any one sentence you have complete in question number 2. Question second.
Sushma, read the question number 3 in book C. Beta, your voice is not coming proper. No. Next one is the Anil Maurya. Read the question number 3.
Draw a picture to match any one sentence you have completed in question 2.
Beta Anil Maurya, we are not getting your voice properly. What you can do, you can take your mic and you can near to the mic you can speak. Yes, now speak.
Draw a picture to match any one sentence you have completed in question 2.
Okay. Okay, Tanishka, your voice is coming properly. You tell us what we have to do in question number 3.
Draw to match any one sentence you have completed in question number 2.
Okay, that means that there is a question number. There is a some sentence which is already there in question number 1. Isn't it? Is it like this?
Yes, sir.
There are some of the sentence which is
Yes, sir.
there should be some of the sentence which is already is there in question number 1, and there you all need to identify that which word has been used to compare and which word has been compared to with which word.
No, sir.
Okay. Just wait. Let me bring the book. Because the question number 3 is draw a picture to match any one sentence you have completed in question number 2. Whatever the questions you have, whatever the sentences, there are 4 sentences in question number 2. Whatever the sentences you have made, you have to draw a picture related to that particular sentence in the question number 3. Can you draw?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
come to the question number 4.
Yes,
Come to the question number 4. In question number 4,
Yes.
from the sentence in question number 1, there is a question number 1. There is a 5 sentences. There are 5 sentences in question number 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
From
sir.
the sentences
Yes.
in question number 1, Identify the comparisons. We have to identify मतलब पहचान करना है. We have to identify the comparisons and complete the table. One has been done for you. What we have to do? Let's say the first sentence was Seema is quiet as a mouse. So, which is the, tell me the first thing जिसका comparison हो रहा है. Which thing is getting compared with which with the another one? Seema is getting compared with the Seema is being compared with a mouse. सीमा को एक माउस सीमा को माउस से कंपेयर किया जा रहा है ना.
Yes, sir.
Seema is being compared with a quiet mouse. इसका मतलब क्या निकल रहा है? Just as a mouse moves around without making any noise, so that's Seema. In the same way, also you all need to complete the second, write the comparison of and comparison to and the meaning for the second sentence, for the third sentence, for the fourth and the fifth.
Yes.
So let us try for the second sentence. The man is an angel. Who can tell who is getting compared with which thing? Shanika, tell us.
Sir,
Beta, without taking permission, I don't want any voice. It is not the good way to talk. I'm asking to raise the hand and you are speaking. I don't want this kind of the misbehaviorness. छोटे बच्चे नहीं आपको बार बार बताना पड़े. Shanika, tell us.
The man is compared to an angel.
The man is being compared. A man is compared. आप बोलेंगे man को compare किया गया. That is also correct. पैसे voice में रहेगा. Man को compare किया जा रहा है. Man compare नहीं कर रहा है. Man is being compared या man is compared. That is both are correct. Man is compared with an angel. What is the meaning of this? Yes, Tanika, you tell us. What is the meaning of this? What is the
meaning of this? Man जो था एंजल हम लोग के किसी भी फरिश्ते की तरह था जो किसी भी हम लोग के मुश्किल टाइम में हेल्प किसी की मुश्किल टाइम में जिसने हेल्प किया एक एंजल की तरह था.
Okay, Anupriya.
The man just as a man an angel because it was helping like an angel, so the man is compared by the angel.
Okay, Anil Maurya. Anil Maurya.
Yes, sir. Sir, Devdut, angel.
Tanishka.
So just as an angel help in help persons in hard time, so like this the man is also helped.
Anybody else want to tell what is the comparison? What is the meaning of this kind of the comparison? Who want to tell? Anupriya, what did you tell? What did you tell? What is the meaning of the comparison in the second sentence?
The man is comparing as an angel because he was helping as an angel, so he is compared by angel.
Beta, you were telling the man is comparing. Man compare कर रहा है या man को compare किया जा रहा है?
Yes, man तो compare किया जा रहा है.
Man तो नहीं काम कर रहा है ना? मैन के ऊपर काम हो रहा है कि मैन काम कर रहा है? मैन कंपेयर कर रहा है.
No, sir, मैन के ऊपर काम.
आप सभी को भी एक्टिव वॉइस एंड पैसिव वॉइस का भी पढ़ाया गया है. ये कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ाया जा चुका है या अभी नहीं?
No, sir.
एक्टिव वॉइस एंड पैसिव वॉइस हाउ मेनी हैव? मतलब आपको अभी 5th तक नहीं आया है ना? चलिए कोई बात नहीं, जब आप पढ़ेंगे in the upper classes you will study that कि whenever मतलब how you have to change any sentence in the passive voice from the active voice, whatever the way we are trying to speak, जिस तरीके से हम बोलते हैं, अभी जो नॉर्मल सेंटेंस हम पढ़ते हैं या ट्रांसलेट करते हैं, दैट इज इन एक्टिव वॉइस, उसको पैसिव वॉइस में कैसे करना है। लेट्स से कि यहाँ पे मैन इज कंपेयरिंग, तो मैन कंपेयर कर रहा है, इस तरीके से आप बोल रही हो, बट एक्चुअली इज मैन को कंपेयर किया जा रहा है, मैन के ऊपर काम किया जा रहा है, तो दैट मीन मैन इज कंपेयर्ड होगा। मैन इज, अच्छा मैन इज कंपेयर्ड भी आपका कहीं ना कहीं रॉन्ग हो सकता है, बिकॉज आफ्टर आई एस आफ्टर इज देयर शुड बी आईएनजी फॉर्म, तो दैट मीन्स कि द मैन इज बीइंग कंपेयर्ड, नॉट द मैन इज कंपेयर्ड। द मैन इज बीइंग कंपेयर्ड, द मैन इज गेटिंग कंपेयर्ड, बोथ आर करेक्ट, बट after is there should be ing form of the verb. The man is being compared with the angel. The man is being compared with the word angel. What is the meaning of this? You all telling that you already have studied you have read the story, and as per the story the man is helping, the man helps just like an angel, that is why the man is being compared with the angel. Okay, read the third sentence. Who will read? Akanksha, read the third sentence, beta. Unmute yourself and read the third sentence.
Anna turned as white as a ghost. Then she saw a snake in the garden.
Okay. Shalu, do you have book or not? Shalu, do you have book, beta?
Yes.
Read the third sentence. Read the third sentence. What the Akanksha already have read.
Sir, Anna turned as white as a ghost when she saw a snake in the garden.
Yes. Anna turned as white. Anna turned as white as a ghost when she saw a snake in the garden. Now, who can tell that which things is getting compared with the another things, and what is the meaning of this? Okay, Aman Verma, not the Aman Verma.
Sir,
Aman Verma, you have to tell the meaning of this. Just wait. First, I'll ask first. Anybody else? No, how many can tell that which things is getting compared with the another one? How many can tell? आप लोग जैसे हैं उसी हिसाब से मैं क्वेश्चंस पे पूछूंगा। ओके, एनीबडी एल्स? विकास, सुषमा, सचिन, आप लोग को अभी तक नहीं समझ में आया कि किस चीज का, किस थिंग्स का कंपैरिजन किस थिंग से हो रहा है? आप इतना नहीं बता सकते हैं सुषमा? माइक ऑन करके बताइए, थर्ड सेंटेंस में किसको किसके साथ कंपेयर किया जा रहा है? सचिन चौहान, आप बताइए।
white as the ghost.
White ghost. Okay, anybody else? दिव्या, शान्विका, आप लोग से मैं सबसे लास्ट में पूछूंगा, डोंट वरी। निहारिका,
Sir, white as a ghost.
Okay, विकास,
So white as a ghost when he saw a snake in the garden.
क्या कह रहे हो? पहले ऐसे क्या चीज है, कौन सा वर्ड किस वर्ड से कंपैरिजन हो रहा है? I need the answer of this question. What is the first word which is getting compared with the another word? Tell me both the word.
Sir, white as goats.
White को ghost से कंपेयर किया जा रहा है? अच्छा, अस्मित, अस्मित,
Anna white as a ghost.
अन्ना को व्हाइट एज ए घोस्ट से कंपेयर किया जा रहा है। अच्छा, शान्विका,
Anna is compared to a ghost.
ओके, अमन वर्मा,
सर, अन्ना को घोस्ट से कंपेयर किया जा रहा है।
अनुप्रिया,
Anna is getting compared by a white ghost.
तनिष्का,
The Anna is being compared to white ghost.
सावित्री,
सर, अन्ना को ghost से कंपेयर किया जा रहा है।
यस, there is only two words. Anna is being compared with the ghost, not with white ghost. Anna is being compared with ghost only. Ghost की तरह ये बता रहा है, ghost की तरह white दिखता है. Anna turned as white. Anna बिल्कुल इस तरीके से white कलर में बदल गया, just like a ghost. Yes बेटा.
सर अन्ना ने जब स्नेक देखा वो इतनी तेजी से मुंह से भागे जैसे कि कोई भूत.
Look into the first sentence. Seema is as quiet as a mouse. ऐसा तो आपने नहीं बोला ना कि सीमा को क्वाइट अ माउस से कंपेयर किया जा रहा है. सीमा इज गेटिंग कंपेयर्ड अ क्वाइट माउस, माउस से कंपेयर किया जा रहा है. द सेम वे अन्ना इज बीइंग कंपेयर्ड विद अ गोस्ट. आप कह सकते हैं व्हाइट एज ए घोस्ट, बट कहीं ना कहीं जो अन्ना को सिर्फ घोस्ट से कंपेयर किया जा रहा है, घोस्ट के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक से. ओके, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? हु कैन टेल? सानिका.
साफ देखा.
सर just a post is white so that and when Anna see the snake he also turned as white as snake.
Anupriya.
When Anna see a snake in the garden, she was very scared and she as white as a ghost. So Anna is compared.
It's good. Now read the fourth sentence, beta. Read the fourth sentence. Sushma, read the fourth sentence. Sushma, read the fourth sentence. Where you are looking? Sushma is not focusing on her study. Sushma, I'm asking you to read the question number sentence number 4. D. Saurabh Kanodia, you read the Saurabh Kanodia, read the fourth sentence.
Yes, sir. Sir, my grandpa is a wizard in kitchen.
Okay, Asmit Advansi.
My grandpa is a wizard in the kitchen.
Who is compared? What is being compared with another thing? Who can tell? जितने लोगों ने बता लिया था उनसे मैं नहीं पूछूंगा. I will ask from Sushma. Sushma तो कुछ बोल ही नहीं रही है, उसको बाहर ही करते हैं. रुकिए, ना वो पढ़ रही है ना सुन रही है, तो ऐसे में उसको रखने का क्या मतलब? Let me remove first. Okay, Sushma has been removed. Okay, Vikas Verma, you tell us. In the fourth sentence, what is being compared with another thing? Which thing is being compared?
Sir, the compared grandpa.
The compared grandpa. The compared grandpa का मतलब क्या होगा?
Sir, the compared wizard.
The compared फिर क्या compared हो रहा है? चलिए अतुल चौहान आप बताइए. विकास वर्मा ध्यान से सुनिए.
Grandpa compared by wizard.
Okay, grandpa is compared. बेटा एक चीजें हैं, आप लोग के साथ साथ गलती मैं भी करने लगूंगा, यही होती है प्रॉब्लम. आफ्टर is there should be ing form of the verb. Okay, grandpa is being compared with the. इसको wizard बोलेंगे या wizard बोलेंगे? What is the actual phonic? Sanika?
Wizard.
What do you mean by wizard?
Chipkali.
So जादूगर.
Kali.
अच्छा.
जादूगर.
Who is telling Chipkali?
Sir, जादूगर.
Zadugar.
So जादूगर. Yes sir.
Jadugar.
Yes, grandpa is being compared with the wizard. In the fifth sentence, Akanksha, now you have to tell. Now you have to tell in the fifth sentence which word is being compared with the another word. You have to tell the both the word. I'm asking. This is the last. आपने इतना अगर ध्यान से सुना होगा तो आपको समझ में भी आ गया होगा. and you can tell the correct answer. Now tell us which word is getting compared with another word.
The classroom.
Classroom is getting compared, is being compared, yes. With which word? With which thing?
Sermon. Is being sermon.
किससे कंपेयर हो रहा है बेटा?
Sermon. Sir, over.
And when in the month of the May. Okay. Anybody else? Sachin Chauhan, you tell us in the fifth sentence. In the fifth sentence. You have क्या करूं बेटा, अपना माइक भी बंद रखा करूं.
Our classroom is compared by oven.
Yes, the classroom is being compared with the oven.
Oven.
When. And what is the meaning of this comparison? What the meaning are getting? You all are getting? What is the meaning of this comparison, Anupriya?
The classroom turns into a oven. In the May month, meaning is that when our holidays start, the classroom starts very difficult, so it is getting compared by an oven.
Okay, Divya, you tell us.
Sir, the classroom closed in the month of May. Some meaning.
अच्छा, what do you mean by oven? Oven means क्या होता है?
Sir.
Yes, Aman.
Sir, चूल्हा सर. सर
तो
चूल्हा.
ये बेटा आप दिव्या किस चीज का क्या मीनिंग निकाल रही हो? बंद रहता है समर्स में, ये क्या है? Then what is the meaning of this comparison? What the meaning you are getting from this comparison? Who can tell? The only last minute is the meaning. Sanika, tell us.
एकदम ओवर की तरह हो जाता है. क्लासरूम ओवर जैसा टर्न हो जाता है टू द मंथ ऑफ मे, क्योंकि मई में छुट्टी रहती, हॉलीडे रहता है, छुट्टी रहती है, तो इसलिए जो हमारा क्लासरूम है वो ओवर की तरह मीन्स बंद की तरह हो जाता है.
Actually, your voice was not coming properly. Anybody else who want to speak? Tanishka.
The oven is classroom.
अमन.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बताइए.
सर बच्ची की तरह कंपेयर किया जा रहा है.
हाँ हाँ, तो इसका क्या मीनिंग क्या निकल रहा है?
कि सर मई के महीने में क्लास एकदम सर भट्ठा की तरह लगने लगा.
हाँ बिल्कुल, इतनी गर्मी होती है
तो गर्म मौसम की वजह से.
आपका वेदर से यहाँ पे कई लोग बता रहे हैं छुट्टी है, बंद होता है, पता नहीं